Why does your scanner show the P2444 engine code? And what does it mean? P2444 is a diagnostic trouble code for the secondary air injection system. Pump is stuck on bank 1. The error code indicates a malfunction in the system that injects fresh air into the exhaust to reduce emissions during cold starts. This can be caused by a faulty air pump, a stuck air injection check valve, issues with the relay or wiring, or even carbon buildup. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty secondary air injection pump. Stuck air switching valve. Wiring or electrical issues. Broken vacuum hoses. Failed air pressure sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any vehicle equipped with a secondary air injection system. It is commonly found in GMC, Jaguar, Lexus, Toyota, Mercedes-Benz, and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.